sisters. Today we are at Marina Park in San Leandro. And guys, right now the weather is amazing, beautiful. It is sunny, breezy, but still very beautiful. But also here at Marina Park, it's very crowded. It took us like 10 minutes to find a parking spot, which is quite a long time.
It's really crowded, that's why.
Yeah, I mean, it's not even summer now. Imagine how it would be mid-July, sunny day. Imagine how many people would be here. Kids on the playground, people in the workout area, and then people walking around. That would be packed, loaded.
Like Martin Luther King's speech, people surrounding him.
Well, maybe not that crowded. Well, guys, come with us to see around this place.
Yeah.
Come on.
Okay, guys, me and my family today, we're at this beautiful park. It's very crowded today because it's a nice Sunday over the weekend. A lot of people have come here to play games with their friends, hang out, have barbecues, picnics, and even parties. There's music playing and you can smell the delicious food they have over there. And we came here because we saw this really cool trail nearby. It tells you how many miles you've walked.
It smells really strong. It smells really good, actually. It smells like barbecue. It smells really good from the barbecue.
It's really strong.
Very strong. Kind of smells burnt just at the same time.
So yeah, that's why we came here. To get some exercise over the weekend and try out this really new trail and see how far you can walk.
So, when I was going somewhere before, like a long time ago, I saw her with eyelashes.
Oh, so you see, guys, this is where you start. This is how they count how far you walk. Also, they have mileage stops in between so you can see how far you've walked. Also, guys, next to the trail, they have a dog park where you can see all the dogs socializing and playing with each other. They're so cute. They're so white and fluffy and adorable. Guys, look at my parents. They're both wearing the same color jackets. Say hello to Mrs. and Mr. Banana. Wow, guys. My dad was able to feed that squirrel by hand, and usually squirrels are afraid. I guess this squirrel is very friendly. Yum, yum, yum. Bye-bye. Wow, guys, look. My dad was even able to feed the seagulls by hand. I hope they like goldfish. They're so adorable. Look how they just hover over my dad's hand and wait a sec and then yum yum yum. And guess what? I was able to feed the seagull too. It was an incredible, amazing experience. Wow guys, look, so cool. This guy, because there was a low tide today, what I was saying is this guy was able to bike on the shore. Usually if there was a high tide, all that would be covered in water. Okay guys, so we decided to finish our little walk at 1.25 miles. The trail is still very long and we could go on for a while more, but we're gonna turn around, head back, and come back to our car in our parking lot. That's enough extras for today. My dad and my mom let me and Jana play in the playground for a while. It was pretty crowded, but there were some things we still could do to have lots of fun here. Look at that boy. He has a really cool toy mini motorbike. Well guys, my mom was very surprised at how many Muslims there were today at the park. Alhamdulillah.
Estamos 29.
Well, guys, we had a really good time, and we even got to play at the playground, and we went on a walk. It was really, really fun. The weather is beautiful, just a bit crowded. Like, it has so many people, and I mean, again, imagine what it would be like mid-July during summer, and then that would be really, really, really crowded, guys. So, yeah. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Have a fantabulous day, guys. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not subscribed already. Bye, guys.